Summer is just around the corner and all we need is something refreshing and healthy to enjoy it. Today I share my all-time favorite fruit sorbet flavor combinations. It's super easy to prepare them and their refreshing taste will keep you on your feet during the summer. Everything happens in a high-speed blender or food processor and the final result will scream summer. If you're not familiar what sorbet is, it's basically a frozen fruit well blended until it gets a consistency almost like an ice cream. So let me show you how to make my favorite sorbet combinations. Before we start with our sorbet recipes, we need to make the simple syrup to sweeten them up. It will not only bring sweetness to our sorbets, but a shiny appearance and the right consistency as well. To prepare the simple syrup, in a small saucepan, put the sugar and water on the medium heat and bring the mixture to a boil. For extra flavor, add vanilla extract or vanilla sugar. After 5 minutes of boiling, pour the mixture in a heat-proof dish and let it cool completely. If you want, you can use honey, maple syrup, or just enjoy the natural sweetness from the fruit. Now let's make the sorbets. To prepare the first flavor combination, in a high-speed blender, put the chopped and frozen pieces of peach, the fresh basil, and a little of the cooled simple syrup. Blend until you get a nice creamy frozen mixture like this. Serve with the help of an ice cream scoop in a serving dish and enjoy. For the second combination, put the frozen strawberries, freshly grated lime zest, lime juice, and simple syrup in a blender. Blend until you get a frozen beauty like this. Serve it immediately or transfer it to a freezer container to serve it later. The next winning flavor combination is pineapple and coconut. Put the frozen pineapple and coconut milk in a blender together with the simple syrup and blend until you get a thick mixture like this. Serve and enjoy this tropical flavor. For more citrus flavor, in a high-speed blender, put the frozen orange, fresh sprigs of mint, and simple syrup for extra sweetness and right texture. Blend until you get a thick frozen beauty. serve in a bowl and enjoy the taste. For the last flavor combination, which I know sounds a little unusual, but is just as delicious as the others, in a high-speed blender, put the frozen pieces of cucumber and melon. Fresh sprigs of mint and the shiny simple syrup. Blend until smooth and serve. A refreshing elixir for hot days. Guys, these were my 5 refreshing and irresistible sorbet flavors. Easy and quick to prepare. To prepare them, the full list of the ingredients is in the description box down below. For a lot more coming in future, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Have fun cooking until the next time.